Here's why the new Lowe's irrigation fittings are poorly designed. See the spirals on the edges here and down here? Well, water obviously leaks if you don't push the pipe all the way down into the hooks at here and here. And sometimes you just don't have enough pipe to reach when you're working on something. Also, the threads are made opposite, so when you twist this way to screw into two pipes that are already on each end, you're going to be unscrewing one end while screwing in the other end. I like the old ones. They were much better. They were gray. They last a decade or two in the sun. These, you got to push the pipe all the way in, and then you have all this useless pipe taking up space. The other ones had like 4 barbs along the edge here, so you could push the pipe onto 2 of them, and if those 2 leaked, you could push it on another one and then push it on another one. You had 4 attempts for that water to try to get out. Here you only have 2. 1, 2. And as you can tell, the spirals let the water leak out. It's been leaking the whole time. Poured some water in here, and it's leaking through the spirals. So Lowe's, buy those old fittings. Don't stock these new blue ones.